Hey friends, you ready for reading today? Let's get started. So this year we've learned that good readers pay really close attention to the words in a passage and the pictures that are in a passage. So one way that we can really make sure we're focusing on both our text and our pictures is by picking out information that is only in the text and information that is only in the pictures. That'll make sure we're really focusing and pulling out every bit of information the author wants us to. Okay, let's try it with this little passage about a chimpanzee. I see my passage here and then my picture, my photograph over here. I'm going to read my passage first, and you know what? I think I'm going to read it 2 times because good readers always read more than once. Chimpanzees are very smart. They walk on their hands and feet. They sleep in trees. They like to eat fruit and nuts. Chimps use sticks to pull ants out and use rocks to open nuts. Okay, I'm thinking about what I learned from the text and looking over here again at my picture of my cute little chimp. Okay, I'm going to read it one more time and think about one thing that I can learn only from the words. This thing can be only from the words, not in the picture. Chimpanzees are very smart. They walk on their hands and feet. They sleep in trees. They like to eat fruit and nuts. Chimps use sticks to pull ants out and use rocks to open nuts. Okay, what did I learn from the text that I could not learn from the picture? Oh, I see one thing. This sentence right here, chimpanzees are very smart. I learned that from the words here. Now, I would not be able to learn that just by looking at the picture. So I know that's one thing I could learn only by reading the words. I'm going to fill that into my box. Now, I learned from the text that chimpanzees are very smart. Okay, cool. Now I want to see what I can learn from only looking at the picture. Let's see. I see they're using their hands and their feet, but I see that in the text over here too. What's something I could learn only by looking at the picture? This has to be something that is not in the text. Oh, wait a second. I can see what color their fur is. I see that they have black hair. And you know what else I can see by looking at this picture? I see that they have black hair around their body, but no hair on their face. I'm going to double check and make sure that's not in my text before I fill it in over here. Nope, nothing about their black hair. Okay, so I'm going to fill that in for what I learned from the picture. I learned from the picture chimpanzees have black fur on their bodies, but no fur on their faces. Cool. Okay, now I'm ready for my last part. This is always the trickiest for us, but I think we can do it. What information can you get from both the words and the illustration? Okay, I'm going to read my passage one more time just to see if I can find any information that is in the text and in the illustration. Chimpanzees are very smart. They walk on their hands and feet. They sleep in trees. They like to eat fruit and nuts. Chimps use sticks to pull ants out and use rocks to open nuts. Oh, I think I found something. Okay, in my text, it says they like to eat fruit and nuts. In my picture, I see that he has a little piece of fruit in his mouth. Hey, that's information from the text. They like to eat fruit, and it's in the picture. I see that he likes to eat fruit in the picture. I'm going to add that in here. What information can you get from both the words and the illustration? They like to eat fruit and nuts. Oh yeah, I paid super close attention to the words in my text and the illustration. I learned a lot about chimpanzees. Okay, now it's your turn. You get to learn a lot about, drumroll please, elephants. Okay, for your job today, I want you to read this passage on elephants at least 3 times. I want you to look super closely at this picture of elephants, and I want you to see if you can find one piece of information only from reading the text, one piece of information only from looking at the picture. Remember, whatever you learn from the picture, make sure it's not in the text also, okay? And then finally, one piece of information from both the words and the picture. Okay, time to get started.